Wow, today we're taking a look at this timeless classic that might just return as the fastest pickup truck ever. A true legend. Enjoy. So here it is, the 1980 Chevrolet El Camino. A car that's not quite a car, not quite a truck, but somehow the perfect mix of both. And honestly, that's exactly what makes the El Camino so special. Back in 1980, this model was part of a generation that focused more on style, comfort, and everyday usability rather than pure muscle. But even then, it still carried that classic American attitude: long hood, low stance, and that unmistakable pickup bed in the back. Now, looking at this diecast version, you can really see how well that personality is captured. The first thing that stands out is the paint. That deep red color combined with the racing stripes gives it a sporty and aggressive look, almost like it's ready to hit the track, even though it's technically a pickup. And then there's the side profile, which is probably my favorite angle. You get that clean, straight body line running from the front all the way to the back, and the proportions just feel right. It's simple, but very iconic. Taking a closer look at the details, the front end has that classic squared-off design that was typical for the era. It's not overly complicated, but it gives the car a strong and confident presence. The grille, the headlights, it all comes together nicely, even in this small 1/64 scale. The wheels are another highlight here. They fit the car really well and give it a slightly custom vibe. Not too flashy, but definitely enough to make it stand out in a collection. And if you look inside, you can even spot the interior details. Of course, at this scale, it's pretty simple, but it still adds to the overall realism. That's something I always appreciate with these models: the small touches that make a big difference. What I really like about this casting is how realistic it feels, especially when you look at it from a low angle. It almost looks like a real car in a full-size setting, which makes it perfect for cinematic shots and photography. Now, in terms of collectability, the El Camino has always been a fan favorite. It's one of those vehicles that stands out because it's different. It doesn't follow the usual rules, and that's exactly why people love it. So the big question: would I recommend this one? Honestly, yes. If you're into classic cars, Hot Wheels, or just unique designs, this is definitely a great piece to have. It's simple, it's clean, and it has that timeless appeal that never really goes out of style. All right, that's it for today's review. Let me know what you think about the El Camino. Do you like this car-truck combination, or do you prefer traditional muscle cars? Thanks for watching. Until the next video. Hey, and stay till the end. More cinematic shots are coming up.